Erica here from Peony and Honey, and I want to show you how to make this beautiful, large 3-wick Anthropologie-inspired candle using only natural ingredients. Check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to the P&H Kitchen. Today, since we're still quarantined, I am going to be making a homemade essential oil all-natural candle using natural soy wax that I got on Amazon. This amazing vessel from afloral.com where I'm going to make a 3-wick candle, you know, one of those like large Anthropologie style candles. You will need some coconut oil. Mine is empty, but I already used it. Some essential oils, your favorite. I'm using Good Sleep Blend. I get this on Amazon. And some candle wicks I found on Amazon that are cotton only. Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners. You'll need a crock pot or an instant pot for this, and stick around for the tutorial. My husband wanted to be in the video, so now he is in the video. Hold up the 2 tools you'll need. You'll need a food thermometer of some sort. You'll also need some kind of metal stirrer. In this case, I'm using a Cake Boss spatula because it's all I have on hand. And apparently my husband needs coffee even though he's doing none of the work. Okay, you guys, so I'm making a large 3-wick candle. So I'm gonna take 8 cups of my soy wax and I'm going to put it inside of my Instant Pot on the slow cook setting. As you can see, it's already melting in there. I also put 2 cups of coconut oil melted directly in here as well. This is going to help your candle burn evenly, and you want to use 1 cup per 4 cups of the soy wax. So that's why I have 2 cups of the coconut oil in here, since I have 8 cups of the soy wax. Make sure you use these Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners because they're going to prevent your Instant Pot container from getting all waxy and having to clean up the mess. It's genius. You want to use your thermometer to check when it gets to 185 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure everything is melted inside. You may have to scrape the sides a couple of times to get any extra chips that may have not fallen into the main mix. And I'm going to wait a couple extra minutes since we're not quite at 185 degrees Fahrenheit yet. Okay, so we are over 180 now. We're ready to go ahead and take this off the heat. Do not add your essential oils quite yet. Now we're going to set it aside and let it cool down to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit or until it starts to get a little cloudy. We don't want it to be firm. We just want it to be cloudy, and then we're going to go ahead and start adding our essential oils. And while I am waiting for my candle wax to cool a little bit, I'm using my glue gun and I'm gluing my wicks down at the bottom. I'm doing 3 wicks for this candle, making sure they're evenly spaced and centered in the candle. My wicks in the candle, and then I'm just going to fold them over the sides and tape them so they stay out of the way when I pour the wax in. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to take a ladle and add it to this small pan that has a pour spout on it so that I can pour it evenly into my candle. Now that the wax has cooled down to the point where you can touch the sides and it's not burning your hand, I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oils. I'm going to put, I believe in total, I'm going to do about 80 drops, so probably 40 in each ladle, but I'm going to see just kind of how that is smelling. If it's really overpowering, I probably will do a little bit less than that, but then you want to make sure you stir it really, really well. Now I'm going to take my ladle here. I'm going to pour the mixed liquid into my candle. This is the first of 2 ladles I believe I'll need to do for this, and I have taped my wicks on the side so they stay out of the candle wax. I'm just finishing pouring my second ladle in, and I didn't fill it all the way to the top because I want to leave room for the wicks. And this is my completed candle, and now I wait for this to harden up again.